This is Peter. Peter said he has been many hours working and searching for an item. He cannot cope with a continuous order coming in. He is very tired and not feeling well. This is Tom. Tom is very happy. Tom easily pick an item. He can pick several orders, consolidated in a picking list at once, which makes Tom very productive. Manual picking system consume a lot of time and non-productive. With the proper system and information, this reduces a lot of walking and searching time to search for an item, increasing picking productivity by 2/3. With this productivity gain, second or third shift can be reduced, or worker can be assigned to a new task. Inventory can be increased up to 99.9%, and it makes everybody's jobs very easy. Contact us for more information. Bye.